On this episode of the show, we talk about why we're so darn expensive. Hello everybody, this is Christopher Small and this is episode 15 of the Ask a Lawyer show. I am super excited to be here with you. As you can see today, I've switched up. I'm outside. I'm in the shadows a little bit. Hope that doesn't scare anybody. It's early October and I just wanted to get out and really enjoy the weather while it lasted. I don't know if it's global warming or just luck, but Seattle weather has been awesome lately. So I wanted to get out here and enjoy it. Now, let's just get right into the question. So, Joe wants to know, why are your legal services so expensive? Excellent question. And the answer is really sort of threefold. Okay, the first reason that we're so expensive is because we're good, right? I consider us to be at least the best at what we do, at least in the city of Seattle, if not in the state, maybe in the country. We take a lot of time to learn the ins and outs of our job. We take a lot of time to learn the ins and outs of the prosecutor's offices that we deal with. We take a lot of time to learn the ins and outs of negotiation, of all this stuff, because we want to be the best. We are competitive, in addition to wanting to do really good for our clients. So every opportunity that I have to get to show off what I do and how much I care for you and for my clients, I want to do that. The second reason that we're expensive, or what some people might consider expensive, is because I also feel like the value that we're providing is second to none. And the way I think about the services that I buy, the services that we give, is to think about, what's it actually worth to me in the scheme of my life, all right? And whether it's a DUI arrest or a traffic ticket or anything like that, I think about how that's going to affect me later on down the road, what I'd be willing to pay to get the results that I want. Now, let's talk about a DUI, for example. Now, what would you say if I just said, how much would you pay to guarantee a great result in your case? Let's say that number might be $10,000, okay? And now, we can't guarantee results, right? No one can do that. If they do, they are lying to you, and they're just straight up lying to you. But what if I said, okay, now what's it worth to you to guarantee you have the best chance of getting the best result? Maybe that comes down to $7,500, $6,500. Something that you would pay to really know that you got the best chance. You had the best chance, that you gave it the best go around to get the best results on your case, to save you that pain later, to save you those driver's license penalties, to save you, the embarrassment of having to talk to your family and friends and having to list a DUI conviction on your future applications and on those credit questionnaires that you get and all that kind of stuff. So that's the second reason, is that we provide a great value. The third reason that we're so expensive is because, in addition to being the best, in addition to providing a great value, we also actually provide a great service. I know we provide the best service in Seattle. What that means is, when you call, we answer. When we say we're going to show up, we show up. When you email us, we respond. We try to think about the needs that you're going to have beforehand and respond to those needs before you even have to ask us, because we know and firmly believe that a big part of this process is really just believing that you have someone at your side that has your back, that truthfully and honestly wants to get you great results and is going to work to do that. And that's us, okay? And there's an added level of value for that, I believe. I know if I was in a position of some of our clients, that I would want that, and that makes a big difference. I know I've heard people talking about the bad experiences that they have with lawyers, and often it doesn't even really revolve around the results. It sort of revolves around the process and the way that they were treated, and we don't want to do that to our clients. And I feel like that makes us the best, and people want to pay for that. There's a difference between the Four Seasons and a Motel 6, right? It's the service that you get. And that's the same with us. We're like the Four Seasons of legal services. If you want to come to us, you're going to get great experience. You're going to get the best results possible, and we're going to do everything we can to do that for you. All right, I hope you enjoyed this show. Remember, if you've got questions, I've got answers. See ya.